In today's story, we are going to learn that how unity makes us eligible to face challenges in our life. In a big, green forest, there lived many different animals. They all lived happily together, guided by their wise leaders, the forest guardians. These leaders were very brave and smart, and all the animals looked up to them. One morning, the forest guardians called for a meeting of all the animals. Birds chirped happily, and squirrels hurried to find good spots to sit. In the middle of the clearing, the forest guardians, a strong lion, a clever owl, and a slow tortoise, stood together. One day, a big storm threatened to destroy the forest. The animals were scared for their homes and their lives. The forest guardians knew they had to act fast to keep everyone safe. The forest guardians asked all the animals, big and small, to help. Together, they made a plan to protect the forest and everyone living there. Led by the lion, the animals set off to strengthen weak parts of the forest. The owl flew ahead, keeping an eye out, while the tortoise carried important things on its back. Even though they faced many problems along the way, like fallen trees and strong winds, the animals worked together bravely. After the storm passed, the animals cheered. Their hard work had paid off, and the forest was safe again. They celebrated their victory together. From that day on, the animals knew they could overcome anything by working together. With the guidance of the forest guardians, they continued to live happily in the forest, facing whatever challenges came their way.